M&H Air Conditioning have been in operation for almost 20 years, serving Newcastle and the Hunter, the Central Coast, Port Stephens and beyond, and has grown into the largest and most respected air conditioning supply and installation company in the region. M&H Air specialise in domestic and commercial systems, covering a wide range of sizes, professionally installed and serviced by experienced technicians. Among the many accolades, M&H Air have now been awarded the #1 dealer of Dakin air conditioners for the 11th year in a row. Visit one of our showrooms to view systems on display or call M&H Air for a free quote.